Here it is, the Caleb Brucker Metal Bikes Journeyman frame. The exact one that he rode is rebuilt to his specifications with his support. We have bone deaf pegs, cinema wheels, Odyssey Thunderbolt cranks, Odyssey aluminum pedals, demolition seat post clamp, bone deaf vibrator seat, FBM PMA stem, Odyssey V2 forks, bone deaf front pegs with the cinema front wheel, also with the Hobie Doan V Monster wheels. Tech 77 brake lever because I don't have a shoe sponsor. Demolition grips. This is the last metal bike sponsored rider's frame to ever exist. Hope you like it. Thank you, Caleb.